feeling happy.
High in the trees where the bright flowers grow lived a little parrot named Rio. Feathers of red and yellow and blue, shining with sparkles and morning dew. Flop, flap, flap, Rio flap, paint a rainbow in the sky. Sing it loud, don't be shy, spread your colors way up high. Rio could chatter and Rio could sing, copying sounds of most anything. Hello to monkeys swinging by, good day to clouds in the big blue sky. Flap, 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 Rio flap, paint a rainbow in the sky. Sing it loud, don't be shy, spread your colors way up high. One day the raindrops fell from the air, gray little clouds were everywhere. Animals sighed and hid away, waiting and wishing for a sunny day. But Rio said, don't you fear, after the rain the sun comes near. Flap, flap, Rio flap, paint a rainbow in the sky. Sing it loud, don't be shy, spread your colors way up high. Said goodbye. A rainbow stretched across the sky. Rio laughed with a happy cheer, colors and smiles are always near. All jungle friends began to sing, flapping and dancing in a happy ring. All flap, Rio joy, paint a rainbow in the sky. Sing it loud, don't be shy, spread your colors way up high. Clap, clap, stomp your feet, rainbow songs are fun and sweet.